Hey guys, Dusty here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to import or install like transitions and titles into Final Cut Pro. So a lot of times you may find some titles or transitions that you either purchase from a template site or you make yourself, and you may want to import them into Final Cut Pro. I know I'm a wedding videographer, and a lot of times I like to go, and as you can see here under my titles, I have a lot of downloaded ones that people have designed for specifically weddings and events that are like weddings. As you can see here, here's a bunch of the wedding titles that I've imported here. But I'm going to show you today how to import those titles and transitions. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and navigate over to your Finder where you have downloaded these files. And as you can see in my Finder here, I have some transitions and some titles. So I'm going to go ahead and select the folders that have the titles in them. So select the titles first, because you got to do titles one way and then transitions another way. So have your titles selected here and right click on them and go to copy. So you want to copy the folders that have the titles in them, and then go to, while you're in your Finder, go to Go up in the upper left-hand corner, and then go down to where you see the home icon. So under the home icon, you then will see a folder called Movies. Click on Movies or double click that there, and then you're going to see another folder called Motion Templates. Click on that there, and then you're going to see where the magic happens. You're going to see the titles and transitions folders. In this instant, we are going to double click on titles, just like we did there, and then right click and then paste those 4 items. Now, I already have them in there, so they're not going to paste, but in your case, they are going to paste into this specific folder, and it's going to work the same way with transitions. Select your transitions folder that you've downloaded, go ahead and copy that folder, navigate to the home folder, go to Movies, and then go to Motion Templates, and then underneath Transitions, which will be right here next to Titles, double click that, and then paste it within that folder. You'll need to close out of Final Cut Pro, and then when you reopen it back up, if you've done everything properly and the files work, then you will see your new transitions. As you can see here, I've got a bunch of transitions that I have installed here, and they're all in my transitions folder. You just navigate to the bottom right-hand side, depending on how you have your workspace laid out. Click the transitions here, and then you'll be able to see all of your installed transitions and all of your installed titles. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want some more technology tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.